So welcome to Algebra on the Go. Ang topic po nating pag-uusapan for today is rules of exponents o yung tinatawag pong laws of exponents. So last time, ang pinag-usapan po natin is rules of positive integral exponents. Meron po tayong tatlong rules po na tinalakay doon. So yung first rule po is the zero rule. Second is the product rule. And the third is the quotient rule. So dito po, dalawang rules po ang pag-uusapan natin. So pang-apat na po tayo. Ito po yung power of a quotient rule. And ang panglima po is power of a product rule. So proceed po tayo sa example number 1. So quantity x cubed y to the fourth z to the fifth to the third power over quantity x to the sixth y squared z to the fourth to the second power. Yun pong mga exponents ng variables, imumultiply po natin dito sa power which is to the third power. So equals 3 times 3 is 9. So magiging x to the 9. X to the 9. Okay? So, 4 times 3 is 12. So, magiging y to the 12. Then, 5 times 3 is 15. So, magiging z to the 15th power. Over. So, ganun din po ang gagawin natin. No? Katulad ng ginawa natin dito sa itaas. Okay? 6 times 2 is 12. So, x to the 12. Then, 2 times 2 is 4. So, y to the 4th. Then, 4 times 2 is 8. So, magiging z to the 8th power. Equals, dito po natin i-continue. Okay, so unahin po natin yung x, no? X to the 9 over x to the 12. So, mas mababa po yung 9, no? Dun sa 12. So, ibababa po natin. Okay, so kukunin po natin yung reciprocal, no? Para maibaba po natin. So, pag binaba po natin yung 9, magiging negative 9 po yan. Okay? So, over, okay, dito po tayo. X to the 12 minus, okay, bababa po natin, no? Magiging negative 9 po yan. Ayan, negative 9. Okay? So, y to the power of 12 o y to the 12 over y to the 4th. So, mas mababa po yung 4, kaya itataas po natin dito. So, pag tinaas po natin, magiging negative 4 po dito. O magiging negative 4 na po yan. So, y to the 12 minus, so itataas po natin, no? Magiging negative 4. Okay. Then, yung z, mas mababa po yung 8 kesa sa 15. So, itataas po natin yung 8. Okay? Z to the 15. So, magiging negative na po yung 8, no? Itataas natin, minus 8. Okay? Equals, so, y to the 12 minus 4 is y to the 8. No? Then, z 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, z to the 7 over. So, 12 minus 9 is 3. X cubed. Okay, so ito na po ang ating sagot. So, example number 2. Ito po ay example, no, ng rule number 5 natin. Power of a product rule. Okay, so example number 2. Quantity 2 to the 4th xy squared to the power of 2 times the quantity negative 4x cubed y to the power of 3. Okay, so the same procedure po ang gagawin natin. So, imumultiply po natin yung mga exponents ng variables dito po sa power sa labas. So, equals, okay, so 4 times 2 is 8. So, 2 to the 8. So, x, may 1 po yan, no? So, 1 times 2 is 2. So, x squared. Then, 2 times 2 is 4. So, y to the 4th. Okay, lagay natin sa loob ng quantity. Then, times the quantity. Okay, negative 4. Then, to the power of 3. Okay, then, 3 times 3 is 9. Magiging x to the 9. Then, y, may 1 po yan, no? 1 times 3 is 3. So, y to the power of 3. Okay. Then, equals. So, pagsamahin po natin, no? So, ito po, tsaka ito. So, ito, x, then y, then y. Okay. So, equals 2 to the 8, no? Times negative 4 to the 3rd power. Okay. Quantity 2 to the 8 times the quantity negative 4 to the 3rd power. Then, times the quantity x squared times x to the 9 times the quantity y to the 4th times y cubed equals 2 to the 8 times, so yung 4, ita-times po natin ang 3 beses. Okay, so 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. So, negative 64. Okay. Then, x. So, pagsamahin po natin, no, yung power, 2 plus 9. Then, y to the 4th plus 3. Okay. Equals 2 to the 8 times negative 2 to the 6. Then, times the quantity, x, 2 plus 9 is 11. Times the quantity, y, to the 4th plus 3 is y to the 7. Equals, okay, continue natin dito. Okay. So, positive times negative is negative. Then, 2. Then, 8 plus 6. Then, x times the quantity x to the 11 times the quantity y to the 7. So, equals, okay, negative 2. 8 plus 6 is 14. Then, x to the 11. Then, y to the 7. Okay, so ito na po ang ating sagot. Okay. So, balikan po natin ito, no? Negative 2 to the 6. So, paano po ba naging negative 2 to the 6 ito? So, ito po, dito po siya nanggaling, no? Sa 64. So, ang nangyari po dito, kinuha po natin yung prime factorization o yung prime factors po ng 64. So, dahil visible po itong 64, no, sa 2 o pwedeng i-divide po sa 2, yun po ang ginamit natin. Kaya nagkaroon po tayo ng base na 2. Okay, so ipapakita ko po dito, no, kung paano po nakuha yung 2 to the 6. So, gagamit po tayo ng prime factorization. Okay, so gawa po tayo ng ganito. Okay. So, 64 nandito. So, visible po siya, no? By 2. Pwedeng i-divide ng 2. So, 64 divided by 2 is 32. So, 32 divided by 2 is 16. So, 16 divided by 2 is 8. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, so wala na po yan dito. So, bilangin po natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 6. Kaya, naging 2 to the 6 po ito. Ayan po siya, 2 to the 6. Okay, so i-check lang po natin kung tama. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4. So, 2 times 2 is 4. So, tatlong 4 po. So, ayun po siya. 4 to the power of 3. Okay, so ibig po sabihin, tama po itong 2 to the power of 6 natin. Okay, so dito po yan galing. Okay, so gumamit po tayo ng prime factorization. Okay. So marami pong salamat sa kanilang panunood and don't forget to like and subscribe.